Have you ever wondered how it feels to traverse the diverse landscapes of India, where every corner offers a new story and a unique flavor? Our journey starts in the magnificent Himalayas, in the northern state of Himachal Pradesh. The serene beauty of Shimla, Manali, and Dharamshala, with their snow-capped peaks and emerald green valleys, is awe-inspiring. Here you can taste the authentic Himachali cuisine, known for its rich flavors and hearty ingredients. Dishes like siddu, a type of bread filled with ghee and poppy seeds, and dam, a traditional feast served in weddings, are not to be missed. Moving south, we land in the heart of India, Madhya Pradesh, home to the majestic Khajuraho temples and the dense forests of Bandhavgarh. The local cuisine here is a delightful blend of sweet and spicy, with dishes like poha, a flattened rice dish, and bute kakis, a grated corn dish, stealing the show. Further south, we reach the God's own country, Kerala. A paradise for nature lovers, Kerala boasts backwaters, beaches, and spice plantations. The local cuisine is a gastronomic delight, with dishes like sadhya, a traditional vegetarian meal served on a banana leaf, and Kerala-style fish curry cooked in a tangy coconut gravy. Next, we head east to the City of Joy, Kolkata. Known for its rich history, colonial architecture, and vibrant art scene, Kolkata is a treasure trove of cultural delights. The city's streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, punctuated by the aroma of delicious street food. The local cuisine in Kolkata is famous, particularly for sweets and savories that reflect the city's unique blend of cultures. Traditional dishes like puchka, also known as pani puri elsewhere in India, kathi rolls, and the sweet creamy dessert mishti doi, are popular among locals and tourists alike. The local cuisine in Kolkata is indeed a treat for the taste buds, making the city a must-visit for any food lover. Our journey concludes on the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, where the Portuguese influence is evident in the architecture, culture, and food. The Goan cuisine is a delicious amalgamation of Portuguese and Indian flavors, with dishes like pork vindaloo and Goan fish curry, which are a must-try. So we've journeyed from the Himalayas to the beaches of Goa, experiencing the cultural diversity of India through its varied landscapes and cuisines. We've tasted the hearty flavors of Himachali cuisine, savored the sweet and spicy delights of Madhya Pradesh, enjoyed the rich coconut-based dishes of Kerala, and relished the Portuguese-inspired Goan cuisine. India, with its diverse tourist spots and food culture, truly offers a unique travel experience. Each region has its unique landscape and cuisine, telling a different story, offering a different experience. Every dish is a reflection of the region's history, culture, and traditions, making the journey even more enriching. So if you're looking for a journey that's not just about sightseeing, but also about experiencing diverse cultures and cuisines, India is the place to be. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sunny beaches of Goa and everything in between, India is a traveler's paradise, a food lover's dream, and a cultural treasure trove. That's the beauty of India, a country that is as diverse as it is vast and as flavorful as it is colorful. A country where every corner has a story to tell, every dish has a flavor to share, and every journey leaves you with an unforgettable memory.